How to add TikTok pixel to Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the marketing integration of TikTok, which is going to be the pixel ID, into your Wix website and let pixel or let TikTok know what is going on into your website. So what we're going to do is to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to see this specific part of the site's dashboard. Select your website by clicking on it and you're going to wait for the website to load up. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We are going to head over here and we're going to focus on the left side of the screen. So we are going to see the dashboard or the control panel of our website. Now we're going to scroll down, click on settings, and we're going to wait for the categories of settings or the elements. Scroll down a little bit until we are going to see the end of it, which is going to be categorized under the development and integrations. We have custom code, headless settings, marketing integrations. So we're going to select marketing integrations. From here, we are going to see every piece of meta tag, metapixel, wherever. So we can have the Google Tag Manager integrated, connect our metapixel and CAPI, Cappy, and also we have here the TikTok pixel. So we can go ahead and click on connect and we're going to follow the instructions. But here I'm going to notify you about something. To be able to have the TikTok pixels or any type of pixels or coding going on Wix, you need to have an upgrade through your account to a paid or a premium plan. So you can go ahead and set up your pixel. As you can see, get your pixel ID or TikTok pixel ID, copy and paste it in here. So as you can see, it is going to be an upgradable plan. Click on upgrade it, pay, and then you're going to put your ID and it is going to verify your pixel ID. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.